Right, what are your thoughts? Is it going to happen or is it not going to happen? Wow, that's amazing. Look at this little guy. Tank is still in good condition. More than I can say for the hose on the petrol, which is splashing everywhere, not ideal. Should be enough to get it going. Right, what are your thoughts? Is it going to happen or is it not going to happen? I think it's going to happen. I'm just going to unloosen. There's a little knob behind the carb just to get it through. You can see it dropping at the bottom there. So that means I know that there's fuel in. Let's have a look. Let's try with the choke on. Or is the choke already on? I'm such a professional. Forgot to switch the key on. So guys, if you're battling to start your bike, a good recommendation is to start with the key. Right. Oh, you're kidding me. That is cool. That's why we love Hondas. They just keep going and going and going. So yeah, there you go. I think this is about a early 70s, late 60s model. Runs and rides, as you can see. Been sitting up there forever. First kick, once I had it on, it goes. So yeah, tell me about your Honda Z50s. Who's got one of these in the shed, and when last did you start it? Great little bikes. And just by the way, you can download the manuals for these bikes on my website, my50.com. Just go to the manuals, free manuals, download them and enjoy.